Wonderful people, so this is me coming to you guys with a bare face. Okay, when I tell you guys the importance of turmeric cannot be overemphasized. You guys feel like I'm just talking and talking. Everything cannot be lightening. Turmeric is very good on the face. It helps to clear hyperpigmentation, reduces dark spot, dull skin, and I can tell you that turmeric helps to, you know, slow down aging. If you want to look way younger than your age, turmeric is something you should try and use. This is turmeric and honey on my face, and like it's been a while I've not used it, but then again I still know the importance of turmeric.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
This is Miss Sunita. I'm filming from Lagos, Nigeria. I film about skincare videos and everything beauty. And you know, if there's any question you want to ask, you can always reach me on Instagram, and I'm definitely going to answer to the best of my knowledge. Okay, so I was talking about turmeric. Turmeric helps a lot. A lot of people feel like, oh, because I think there was this time I talked about the importance of turmeric and why you should use turmeric on the face, and a lot of people said it didn't lighten them. Others were just, you know, I don't know what you are looking at. Most times it's not all about lightening, it's all about taking care of your face. It's all about like it has to do with a whole lot of things. Turmeric is very important. Like I don't even know how else to emphasize on this. Okay, like I said, it helps with hyperpigmentation, reduces dark spot, it clears the skin. And if you have not been sleeping well and you already have eye bags, okay, I noticed, like if you look at this place, I noticed I've been having like what's it called, eye bag, or the right hand side of my eyes. Okay, and turmeric really helps to, you know, clear the eye bags, like suppress it. So turmeric is very good. So I have washed my hands. You guys are going to watch me how sorry I did not mix it with you guys, but the truth is I have done this video before, how to actually mix your turmeric and honey. It's a DIY mix that you can actually do on your own. Just add a little amount of turmeric because it goes a long way. And be careful, it just messes the whole place if you're not careful enough. So when mixing it, stay in a place that, you know, in fact stay in the kitchen, preferably inside your sink. Mix it there before you start applying it. And when you're applying turmeric marks on your face, make sure you're wearing a black what's it called, make sure, I hope you guys can hear me, sure. You're applying a turmeric marks on your face, right? Make sure you you're putting on a black singlet, so that even if it's like even if it gets to it won't stain. Please, turmeric can be very messy. So we all know the importance of honey too on the face. So like I said, everything cannot be all about lightening. Sometimes just take that one time to take care of yourself and forget about the lightening. Honey just also helps with the glow, like the glow you see on your face, and it also helps with aging, and or it slows down aging. So I would say that if you want to remove, or you want to look 10 years younger than your age, make turmeric and honey marks your best friend. Okay, it's really important. So if you're always applying this on your face, you're not going to experience all those hyperpigmentation, unnecessary breakouts and all. So if you still want to, you know, take it a step further, you can actually add a little amount of your Clare and essential oils, like just 2 drops of your tea tree oil, and then 5 or 6 drops of your Clare oil. It could be coconut oil, it could be almond oil, it could be what's it called, glycerins, it could be your whatever oil you have, you can actually use it with. Okay, I have washed my hands, so you're going to see me massage this turmeric mask onto my face. I've been carrying it for like 5 minutes if I'm not mistaken. So I have my Dettol here. So the essence for this Dettol is to disinfect my fingers, because I have washed my hands like some seconds or a minute ago before filming this video. Okay, so I need to disinfect my hand, because it is important that whatever it is you take to your face, you should be very careful, because it might just irritate your face. So because I have washed my hands, I'm just definitely going to use the Dettol to disinfect my hand, so that I will go in with my bare hand and scrub, in fact massage the turmeric and the honey into my skin, then leave it for like 2 minutes before rinsing off. And another reason why I'm using this Dettol, if you've not watched the video I made about how to actually use Dettol to clear hyperpigmentation and clear your face, please ensure to do that I don't know, for some reasons anytime I make a video I will want to, you know, tag or like put the card of other videos I might want you to watch or that will be of help, and most times I forget, so I won't promise that, but just try and check my other videos. You're definitely going to see the video I film about the importance of detour on the face. Okay, so like I said, the second reason why I'm using this on the face, or I'm wanting to use this apart from disinfecting my hands, is because it will help, you know, with the breakout on my face. If there's any breakout that is about to happen, and the detour will just help disinfect it. And if for any reason, because the turmeric also helps with dull, like if you're living in a very dull environment, so you need turmeric on the face. So this is just me using this one to disinfect my face as well as my hands, so that if there's any dirt on my face, it will just kill it, or any dirt or germs on my face. So it's not like you have to go, like, just be generous with it, but you don't need to make it drip. Like, just use it to disinfect your hand basically. Okay, and then go in with your hand gently, and then in a circular motion massage the turmeric marks and the turmeric and the honey into your face. And I need to mention, okay, if you're doing this mask, make sure you don't put it on a dampy face. Well, that's what I did, which is not good. Okay, so of course I make the mistake for you to learn or get the correct thing. Okay, so this is what you should do. Just use it to massage all over your face, and because of course we need it to go in there. So you guys, you can see I told you earlier that I noticed like an eye back here. Okay, you guys can see this. So you just need to press the marks into your eye, like into your skin. Press it, so that if there's any eye back, like I said, it will just help with it. So I'm not saying if you have an eye back or you have eye bags, you're experiencing eye bags, if you use it today it will go. No, it's something you have to do religiously. Just try to make it part of your skincare routines, and you're definitely going to see results. Okay, I don't review product that will tell you, oh, go and use it for 3 days. I don't do that, because me myself, the products I use, they don't work on me for just 3 days. So it just takes time. Yes, it takes time. So if you can be patient, you're definitely going to see results, just like you're going to school. So you cannot just say you want to go and study a particular course in school and you just go there one day, you're out with it. You have to pay the sacrifice. So you will have to make this your routine, like part of your skincare routine, so that it will work. Okay, so even if it doesn't like clear the eye bags, you already know that it's going to help with your dull skin, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and wrinkles. Okay, if you're like looking older than your age, turmeric is very good. I don't know why people don't talk about it that much, although people talk about it. And the reason why other people feel like I don't want to use it, or I'm tired of using it, I don't see results, is because you are using it with the intention of lightening your face. Okay, yes, turmeric lightens the face, but it takes a gradual process. These things are not magic. They just don't work like that. Okay, don't think this is not hydroquinone that works in 3 days. Even hydroquinone self, it takes more time. So just be patient with it, and you're definitely going to see results. So after this, I'm definitely going to clean my face, and then go in with my exfoliating what's it called, scrub. This is vitamin C extra whitening super scrub. Like, the reason why I'm using this is for all skin types. So if you're sensitive skin, no matter your skin type, you're actually definitely, like, it's definitely going to work on you. Like, it's a very, very good scrub. I'm definitely going to review it as time goes by. Okay, I've been using it for a couple of weeks now, so I want to see how, like, I want to see the reaction. I want to see everything that it will do on my skin before I review. So I don't just come and start reviewing without facts. Okay, this is your fact queen. Yeah. You guys, like, it's been long. I miss this turmeric mark too. Like, I miss this. When I was using this, like, sometime 2 years ago, was it last year? I made it like a routine for like 3-4 months. I was using it like back to back. You guys, I really saw results, but for some reasons I got lazy. Maybe you guys initiated me, like because when you use 1 week, 2 weeks, I need this turmeric mask, I'm not seeing results. No, it's not a 2 week something, but of course in 2-3 weeks you should start seeing that your hyperpigmentations, your black spots are fading off. Okay, So it also helps with sunburn. It also helps with sunburn, and the honey there is to glow your face, and also with the wrinkles. So yeah, that's that. You guys, you can see the glow, right? Can you feel it? Okay, so I'll quickly dive into the bathroom to wash off my face, because if I want to use this what's it called, the wipes, it's not going to do justice. So I'm definitely going to go into the bathroom, rinse it off, and then come back. Okay, so you guys, coming back to you raw and bare. This is my face. This is how it's currently looking. Okay, see the eye back I was talking to you guys about, this particular eye. So this is my face up close, and yeah, I told you guys, when you people say hey, your skin is glowing, your skin, it's not like it's glowing. Don't forget, I'm using a certain camera to film, and I still edit. So this is me telling you the truth. Now this video is going to come to you on filter, so that you know that we are also going through these skin issues. In fact, me self, I'm sure that me that is reviewing, my skin is better than yours that is watching me. Okay, so yeah, this video is solely about turmeric. Mama, help me with the cotton now. Video is solely about turmeric, right? So I just finished washing my face, and I'm going in with this vitamin C scrub. Now it's a relaxing scrub. It does not irritate the skin, so you don't say, oh, after, because turmeric has grains, so when you are rubbing your face, it may seem as though you're scrubbing your face as well. Okay, so it serves as a mask as well as a scrub. So you don't necessarily need to still scrub your face after using the turmeric mask. That's what I'm trying to say. So but if you have this kind of scrub that is very mild and gentle on the skin, you can still go ahead. So me, I'm just using it just to rinse off the turmeric residues on my face. Okay, so yeah, that is that for that. I hope I'll see you guys in my next one. Do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.